Hey, what's up dosto? Hoping you all well. I am here again with new informative video. There will be lots of questions regarding Cypress and Selenium, right? Which one to choose? Which one is easy to learn? If I don't know coding, whether I can choose Cypress or Selenium, or which one will be easy for me to learn or be proceed further for my software testing journey, or to be upgraded to the market, right? And many more. Even I used to hate these questions. No worries, I'll try my best to help you. Before proceeding further, I want to urge you guys to please share your views in comment section if I did my job properly or not, and in return just help me with like, share, comment and subscribe. This will motivate me to do better. बहुत सारे थॉट्स है मेरे दिमाग में, but let's just keep this as short and as important for now. Okay, so let me start with Selenium pros and cons first. So in pros, first point will be wide browser support. It supports almost all browser to making it ideal for cross browser testing. And second point, programming language flexibility. It works with various programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, C#, etc., right? Allowing you to choose the language you are most comfortable with. And point number 3, large community and resources. You will be finding extensive documentations, tutorial and vast community for support. And then point number 4, great support. We can run our test cases on multiple machines in parallel for faster execution. Okay, so these are some main benefits of Selenium. And now let's discuss disadvantages. Point number 1, steeper learning curve. While working with Selenium, what I have seen that setting up and maintaining Selenium tests can be more complex and difficult as compared to Cypress. And number 2, slower execution. Due to communication with the browser through WebDriver, tests might run slower than Cypress. And number 3, limited built-in feature. Selenium, we need to play with multiple libraries, right? So it requires additional libraries for functionalities like visual testing or reporting. Okay, so these were some key pros and cons while working with Selenium. Now let's just discuss Cypress benefits. Point number 1, ease of use. The setup and maintenance is very easy and as compared to Selenium. You don't need to download multiple libraries like Selenium. I'll try to create a separate video on Cypress installation. Okay, for now let's just focus on this. So the point number 2, faster execution. It runs tests directly in the browser, leading to faster execution time. Okay, but in Selenium there will be some external libraries to connect with browsers, so which can increase execution time a bit, right? Point number 3, built-in feature. There are some built-in features in Cypress which really out of the box, like visual testing, automatic waiting. Like in Selenium we used to have implicit wait, explicit wait and fluent wait, right? We used to be so confused between waits, like when to use which wait. So all those headache we used to have in Selenium, but in Cypress it does its own. And then the reporting part, it is again a very good feature from Cypress. We don't need to write extra code for reporting also. And then point number 4, focus on modern web apps. So nowadays we see new generation apps are developed, right, on JavaScript, React and other JavaScript related frameworks. So it is well suited for testing single page application which is built in JavaScript. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of Cypress. Point number 1, limited browser support. Currently only 2 browsers are supported in Cypress, that is Chrome and Edge. Point number 2, JavaScript only. So it is only supporting one programming language, that is JavaScript for scripting test. In Selenium we used to have multiple languages like Java, C Sharp, Python, right? But in Cypress, only one language is supported currently, that is JavaScript. Point number 3, smaller community. The community and resources might be less extensive compared to Selenium. In Selenium, we have lots of external support in case of like we stuck somewhere, right? So we used to get lots of support from others, YouTube videos, Stack Overflow, right? So we can type on Google for getting support, so that we used to have facility in Selenium. But in Cypress there will be smaller community. No grid support. Point number 3, it doesn't support parallel testing across machine as of now, so we may see this in future as per the demands. Let me share few points on when we can use Selenium and when we can use Cypress. So you can choose Selenium if you need to perform cross-browser testing across a wide range of browsers. You can like your project requires scripting in a language other than JavaScript, right? You have a large existing test suite or preferred a more flexible framework, then you can use Selenium. Now let's talk about Cypress. You can choose Cypress if you are primarily testing modern web application, okay, like which is built on JavaScript kind of frameworks. Your priority is ease of use and faster test execution, then also you can use Cypress. Your project uses JavaScript for scripting. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to the experiment with both tools and see which one better suits to your needs and team skill sets. I hope now you are in position to define Selenium and Cypress and which tool is better for your testing requirement, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and let me know in comment section for any queries. Thank you.